What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabs, and besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my miniverse. Let's check the comments. Toya, there are fashion packs at Five Below. Grab the keys, cause we're taking a trip to the store. I ran into my Five Below in search of strawberry shortcake themed fashion packs. At the front of the store, I found strawberry shortcake items and the fashion packs. They are for Glam Squad dolls, but you know I'm gonna try these on Barbie, so let's grab a few and check out. We are back in the studio, and we got 3 strawberry shortcake fashion packs. They were $3.25 each. The packaging is straightforward. It says the world of strawberry shortcake at the top. The bottom says Glam Squad fashion doll. There's a sticker on the front that says pair with your Glam Squad dolls. On the back, we can see all items included. It looks like we're getting 2 outfits and accessories in this fashion pack. But the question is, will they fit a Barbie? We've seen Glam Squad fashion packs before, like this Autumn Vibes fashion pack priced at $3.25. That's a decent fit on a Barbie. But the sleeves of the coat are a little short, imperfections exist, the shoes are an okay fit, and we get a plastic purse. Oh, and a pair of sunglasses that don't really fit. But they're not really a perfect fit on a Glam Squad doll either. And to me, the sleeves still look a little short. So I'm expecting similar results with the strawberry shortcake fashion packs. I picked up orange blossom, lemon meringue, and blueberry muffin. With blueberry muffin, we get 4 fabric items. Some of the Velcro might need an extra stitch to help keep it secure, but it's a thin Velcro, which I like. The dress is blue. It's made out of like a t-shirt material. All the edges are hemmed. Some have a straighter stitch than others. The dress has a gathered skirt, and it looks like the top has printed straps with a patterned shirt underneath, similar to Blueberry Muffin's look. Yeah, I also picked up this sticker set from Five Below. I was thinking it might have some potential for a backdrop. It's a little short, but it has 2 sides. It might work for a selfie or 2. I would have liked to have seen the dress without the printed details, like maybe a solid blue or just the diamond print. But with this current design, I totally see Blueberry Muffin, and at $3.25, you can always customize it if you like and separate the 2. Speaking of separates, this fashion pack also comes with a Blueberry Muffin tube top, which is super cute. Very simple. It has no opening in the back, but the Blueberry Muffin graphic on the front is a fun piece to add to our doll wardrobe. We also get white pants with a blueberry print. The pants have an elastic waistband. They are wide at the ankle. We can totally use this as PJs, but we also get a little crop cardigan. It's lavender with a blueberry graphic. We get a matching flower hair clip. It works. And we get the same basket purse in blue and the same heels in lavender. Now that's a Blueberry Muffin fangirl. With lemon meringue, we get the same shoes in yellow to match this lemon dress, which at $3.25 I think is pretty cute. It has ruffles at the shoulder. They do have a raw edge. It's fitted at the chest. Then there's a gathered skirt. The pattern continues all the way around and it velcros in the back. It comes with a matching scrunchie, so their look can be super coordinated. But seriously, I'm not mad at this. This could be a cute look for summer. It doesn't scream lemon meringue, but totally gives the vibe. The dolls can always wear the included lemon meringue top. It is black with a graphic on the front. The plastic tie-downs did leave a little hole in the fabric, and the top velcros in the back. We also get a shiny gold skirt. The bottom has an interesting cut in the back. We get a jean jacket with a collar that can fold over. The sleeves stop a little above the wrist, and there's a lemon graphic on the front. Again, not bad for $3.25. However, I am noticing that my little lemon graphic is coming off. Can I completely peel it off? That looks like a yes. The decal came off pretty clean, but now we can customize it, paint our own, or we can mix it into the wardrobe and use it with the other looks. But if you want to keep the lemon, you might want to handle with care. Here's the jean jacket with the dress, and yeah, I bought the fashion pack twice. And it comes with a bag. It's a yellow hip bag or fanny pack that the dolls can probably also wear across the chest. The last look is for Orange Blossom, who I found as a plush backpack clip. There is also a strawberry shortcake clip, lemon meringue, and a custard. We can probably use them as a large plush for a doll. I also like using the minifigures as room decor. I got this one of strawberry shortcake for $5, and they look pretty good with the sticker backdrop. I picked up this orange blossom figure with a winter theme. She has candy cane skis, ready to hit those frosty slopes. And I have another orange blossom where she's painting. And the two figures have different hair and eye colors. I think they make pretty good dolls for dolls. And they have cards that we can easily turn into dollhouse posters. Back to the fashion pack. We get a yellow floral dress. It has ribbon straps, a pinch at the chest, a high waistline, and a gathered skirt. On my dress, I can see the gather stitch right there. I got a second one, and I don't see a stitch. Do you? So that might be something to keep an eye out for when in the store. Overall, I like the dress and can be a fun look for summer. The second look is a one-shoulder top. It's orange with a picture of Orange Blossom on the front. There's no opening on the back, and it ties at the shoulder. We also get a skirt with a printed dark denim. There's a printed picture at the bottom. It has printed stitches and printed pockets in the back. It's made out of a stretchy material. It is not hemmed at the top or the bottom. Here it is, flipped inside out. Personally, I would have loved if this was denim, but since it is a stretchy fabric, you could probably turn it into a bathing suit. Tying the top is a little bulky to me, but we can modify it by sewing the front strap in the back, or just tuck it in to get rid of the knot. We get a white cardigan, orange shoes, a green plastic purse, and an orange and white bucket hat that is actually a really cute fit. It's fabric and finished all the way around. I like that each doll came with a top with the character's picture on the front. The blueberry muffin tube top is really cute, and I can totally see using these for a little strawberry shortcake fangirl moment. My least favorite items are probably Blueberry Muffin's dress because of those printed straps, and Orange Blossom's faux denim skirt. But when I get a minute, I'm gonna try to turn this into a bathing suit. But Lemon Meringue's lemon dress and Orange Blossom's floral dress are probably two of my favorites. Even though we got some raw edges, the lemon dress can fit a curvy, as well as the Orange Blossom dress and the Blueberry Muffin dress. Here's Blueberry Muffin's second look. It was a little snug getting it on, but I like the fit of the pants on a curvy better. Lemon Meringue's top can easily fit a curvy, however the skirt pulls, and Orange Blossom's top and skirt are an easy fit. While I was at Five Below, I picked up these strawberry shortcake necklaces. Those little charms caught my eye. We can just remove them and add them to a doll purse. I'm using another jump ring to attach it to give our purse a little charm. Since the Orange Blossom fashion pack came with a green purse, let's switch it out with this green mini fashion bag. Let's take the charm off the Orange Blossom necklace and add it to the bag to customize her look. We can use the rest of the necklace to make a smaller necklace, and we can bend a little wire, add the charm, and trim off the excess for matching earrings to complete their fangirl look. I loved when Barbie came out with those themed fashion packs for Care Bears and Looney Tunes and stuff like that, and I'm glad to see it with Glam Squad dolls for $3.25. Thank you for joining us while we checked out a few strawberry shortcake items from Five Below. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Fanbase, Instagram, and YouTube at MyFroggyStuff and Bella of MyFroggyStuff on Instagram, and we will see you next time. Bye!